Wake up to makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Blame it on the stardust. I know that I'm perfect, even though I'm fucked up. Him for the...
You guys are probably all wondering why the hell I'm wearing this getup and why the fuck I look like I'm fucking going to a funeral or fucking church or fucking a wedding, maybe a bank. I had to borrow my boyfriend's clothes to look this way. This is I'm following a makeup guru's makeup tutorial video because I know everybody's been doing it and I never like to go with the trends, but I'm gonna do this one only because I ran across Bob HERZOG. Wake up to makeup. If you guys have never heard of him, go on Facebook and look up Bob HERZOG. If you look him up here on YouTube, his videos aren't as interesting. Sorry, Bob. He's a Cincinnati newscaster, and every morning he does a thing called Wake Up to Makeup. And he's been trending lately because he's so fucking hilarious, and he does these little makeup tutorials. And today we're gonna follow his makeup tutorial. Explains why my face looks so basic.
That's the realness.
Before we get started, like and subscribe and to click the little bell down below so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Back to you, Bob HERZOG. Now I got my pre-makeup face on, and let's go ahead and get started with Bob's tutorial. And I do want to tell you guys that the reason I picked Bob and the reason why Bob is an inspiration to me and to many others, he's not trying to be all serious with makeup. He's just trying to simply do his fucking job, and he has to wear makeup at that job, and he's gotten pretty good at it. He's really entertaining. It brings a smile to your face in the morning, and I think we should all appreciate things like Bob. Go ahead and put it up on the screen. Bottom corner.
Let's start this video.
Good morning, everybody. Today is a red letter day. I'm not sure what the derivation of that saying is, and it doesn't even necessarily work with what's happening here. But here's what's happening here. So I've done these wake up and makeup videos pretty much since the beginning of the year. It's been my new thing, kind of kick stuff off in the morning. But here's the thing. I really haven't done my makeup in one of the videos. You haven't really seen the process.
It's not that hard.
That changes today. That's right. Actually going to do my makeup. Actually using this as my mirror. Let us begin the process.
Let us begin.
This, as I understand this, called concealer. It is for concealing things, like the ridiculous circles under my eyes. I can't fill in the divots in my forehead. They are far too deep. Anyway, so I do like this. All right? And I make this face. I don't know why everybody does this when you put on makeup, but you do this face. And so I'm doing that face. And right now you're thinking, Bob, that is a ridiculous amount of stuff on your face. And you're right. It's kind of hard to look at yourself like this. Yeah. Look, Jen, I'm actually doing a makeup instructional video today.
Look,
isn't that a great idea?
Are you showing how people how to contour?
I am, but look, I just went way too far down with my concealer.
You're doing a makeup instruction.
I'm actually doing a video of my makeup process, Sheila. It's very exciting.
You're going to be the next.
For the record, he normally also uses a primer, which he did not use today, but it's a good thing I moisturized, but I did not use primer either because I'm following his tutorial to the T. But he normally uses the, he uses the NYX version, but the green blur redness control, he uses that. But he didn't.
One thing I will never do.
Look at it. Look how much stuff is on my face right now. And then I do a weird little circle here, and I do one there too, because I don't know why. Sometimes I get these weird dark spots there, especially in the summertime, and I don't know what that is about. But that's it. I don't see any huge like NYX or other things that I would sometimes cover. Maybe down here, because that thing still hasn't healed from when I had an ingrown hair. Oversharing?
What are you talking about?
I'm just trying to let people in on the process, Jen. Where's my thing? Okay, good. Okay, so I've applied concealer for concealment, and this is foundation, I think, and this is to help make sure that I have a good, solid foundation for both my skin tone and my morality. Okay, so, and then I'm just kind of, see how I'm blending a little bit there? Pulling it all together. I kind of get up into the hairline a little bit because I'm a very pasty and pale person. And so if I don't, I get these weird streaks of sort of almost albino white to way back in my head. Nobody likes that. So yeah. Applying foundation now. Oh, that's... You know what? I kind of feel like Bob Ross. Happy, just painting
Happy trees on your face?
happy trees on my face, Jen. Happy trees. Jen, how are you on this Monday morning?
How are you, Jen?
All right.
Jen's all
How are you,
right.
Jen?
Did you enjoy your day off on Friday?
I did.
Good.
I don't know what we did.
That's usually a good sign. So as you'll see, I haven't started to blend in the concealer yet. And I have a strange dip on that side of the concealer. There's no real reason for
How
that.
dare you go on?
One of these days I'm going to forget, and I probably will. Shelby, I'm making one of them makeup videos like the people do. You know how they do?
Yeah. Maybe the next YouTube star?
How they make the videos, where they're doing the makeup and everything?
Instagrams?
You blend
On the Instagram?
I do. I blend like I'm angry at my
He
skin.
blends violently.
I do. I'm a violent blender. That's not for everybody. That might not be something that you want to try.
Violent
following
blender.
you, Bob.
Let's make a new band called that, Mom.
That is a great band name, Violent Blender.
Violent blend.
But I feel that also helps maintain elasticity in my skin. That's not real. I made that up. Okay, I've only got like 2 minutes left, so I got to wrap this stuff up. You're not gonna get the full process because I'm going too fast now because I literally have less than 2 minutes before I got to be on TV.
every morning.
But this is a little bronzing stuff. See how I hit it? Boom, hit it. Hit the cheekbones hard. You're like, man, that is a lot of stuff on your cheekbones, pal. It is. And then I just do a quick little coat almost all around, go around the eye like that, back, like that. Ooh, on the ear like that. Ooh, down here, underneath. Yeah. I may have to go over that spot again because it doesn't look great. Okay. Then I'm going to take this thing again, violently blend like you're ashamed of your face. Violently blend. You hate it, and now you love it. Look at that. Look at the cheekbones. My goodness, oh, look at that. Like a boss, okay. Literally less than a minute. Taking just a little powder. I'll powder more later because, as everyone in this room can attest to, sweat like there's something glandularly wrong with me.
You dab constantly. 1 minute.
Constant dabbing. 1 minute! My gosh, okay, I gotta go. Okay, that's it. That was the process. I had to speed through the end of it. I'm not really happy with where we are right now, but that's the magic. See you on TV. Local 12, 425 to 7, 7 to 9 on 64, 9 to 10, back on 12. Bye!
Voila. And that's how we become Bob Herzog.
Whatever the fuck his fucking name is.
Bob Herzog. But Bob, I want to thank you for being such an inspiration to a lot of people and being so nice to everybody and really embracing the fact that you have to wear makeup as a male for your profession. It's so crazy because you're so serious on the news. Don't ask me why I watch Cincinnati news, everybody. This is the Bob Look. You guys, and again, I'm going to remind you guys to like and subscribe and click the little bell down below so you guys get notified every time I upload. We have some big news in the next video coming up, so make sure you guys stay motherfucking tuned. And this is I followed a Bob Herzog makeup tutorial. Wake up to makeup. Bye!